apple butter apple fritters.
I'm doing something a little different than I've ever really done in my life.
The first thing I do every morning is I come up and I do my Bible study. And I always do it in my grandkid room. This bathroom is the only room in the house that hasn't been redone yet. Hello, early 2000s paint color. So lovely. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm getting ready while Jason's still sleeping. And then that way I'm just ready to go for the day. Hey, good morning. I'm in the bedroom getting ready. Did you have a bad night's sleep?
Yes, I did.
I figured you did.
Oh. Hi.
What was happening with your sleep? I knew you were up and down.
Sweaty, 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 sweaty.
What time did you finally go out to your room?
I came back and forth, and finally I just came in and got my pillow.
I knew that. I wasn't looking at the clock each time, so I was like, How are you today? Oh, about like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right. You're probably wondering what I'm doing here. I am Christmas planning. I do this every year starting in October. I start getting like my list of what I'm getting everyone for Christmas. And it just makes life so much easier if you just kickstart your holiday shopping early. This year, Osea is making it super easy for you guys to have a hassle-free experience with guaranteed gift delivery. And I have to show you some of the items that they have for the holiday gift sets this year. Amazing. These are just the best little bundles, and you guys know how much I love Osea. They have been doing clean beauty since 1996. It's vegan, cruelty-free. You guys know how much I love the seaweed. I'm always talking and bragging about it. So one of the cool things, this right here might be one of my favorite all-time things. This is the bestseller mini collection. This is a combination of the bestsellers of their face and body care. Some of my favorite items are in here. They are so nice because this is a great way to gift this to someone else and they can give a try and see what they end up loving. They also have this limited edition full body care for hydrating. Let me tell you about this. I have showed you guys in the past the body oil and how amazing it made my skin look. Really helped with just the creeping that I had. But let's talk a little bit about the body butter. This body butter really helps add the hydration to your skin. Perfect coming into winter. You know, we're all worried about that. I know I am. I have the world's driest skin. My hands get so chapped, especially when it starts to turn chilly, that this is one of my favorite things to use on my hands, my arms, my legs, you name it. That's why it's called body butter. It can go anywhere. These come wrapped in a beautiful gift box, and they're also on massive sale. If you're looking for an amazing seaweed skin-based skin and body care and want to get ahead of the shopping game this year, for a limited time, you can use my code CHARMING10 to get 10% off on top of the already amazing prices. There's nothing better than having everything come beautifully packaged and ready to go. It makes awesome stocking stuffers. You guys know here on A Charming Abode, we always love to plan early. So definitely use the code CHARMING10. The link will be down in the description box. You'll be able to check all the boxes off on all your holiday gift shopping this year.
Don't you guys wish you had smell-o-vision?
It smells delicious. Ah. What'd I do? Took all the water.
This thing has a light on it.
Yeah, it tells it if the thing's like bad, the filter. If it blinks green when you're done, it's still good. Oh my goodness. Hey.
You know how to drop.
Mad skills. A little morning wake up for Jason with some coffee and some TV. I got the giggles that Jason had Lucky Charms and I'm having eggs. I mean, you never know with him. Sometimes he wants, I don't know, we just always have almost, I feel like, different breakfasts unless like I'm making French toast or pancakes or something just really kind of, you know, massive. That's not really massive, but you know what I mean. But anyway, and I wait longer to eat in the morning than he does. He usually, once he gets going and starts wanting to eat and stuff like that. I figure I better eat before I leave for my appointment, and then when we get back, we're gonna run over to Sharon's, my neighbor's next door, and she has an apple peeler, so we're gonna go borrow that because I do not want to peel all these apples by hand. So I'm gonna use that apple peeler so we can make some apple butter. It is so good.
They also asked the court there to
See what you're doing here.
We still do this every day.
I left for my appointment. It's not often that I leave the house by myself other than to run to the store, or it just depends. But today I'm doing something a little different than I've ever really done in my life, and I have started seeing like a counselor, someone to help me personally, face to face, just with the everyday challenges of life. And I really enjoy her. I specifically chose a faith-based Christian counselor who had the same beliefs that I do, because my number one counselor is Jesus, and I am constantly relying on him. But it's been really nice to talk to someone and get an outside perspective of just everything that's going on. I have a support group for everything. Oh no, I'm going this way. Hold on. Look at me. I think I'm going to the grocery store because that's the only place I go by myself. Anyway, it's just been really nice because in my support group, we just talk about the everyday challenges of everything, you know, with our spouses, our loved ones who have dementia. But, you know, it's just not a place where I feel like I can get an outside perspective feedback, because everyone in that group is going through a lot of pain. And yes, it's really helpful for how I take care of Jason and what to expect, things that are, you know, are going to be coming down the line. But it doesn't help me mentally when it comes to knowing exactly how to deal with things. And I feel like I've been doing a really good job, man, especially since I've started seeing this therapist. I feel like she has really, I've always been a really positive outlook person. But this past year, I got super down because I was just so sick. And I just felt like I was never going to get everything figured out. And then when I finally did get everything figured out, and now I'm feeling so healthy and everything, I just was like, okay, physically I feel great. I need to feel better mentally. And so it's just been so nice to have someone remind me of the things that I know I already know. And when she says it, it's like, oh, I already know that. Why am I not focused on that? And because we love to just wallow in our misery. And I don't want to wallow in my misery. I want to wallow in the blessings that I have every day and just enjoy them and really focus on them and keep them as a high priority in my life.
Oh my goodness, I just got home. I lovingly refer to Jason's room as his dorm room. Oh goodness. Oh boy. Welcome to Mr.'s Hacking. This is where we're building the fire pit. How you doing down here?
Yeah, just organizing stuff.
Making some progress?
A little bit.
Nice.
How was your outing?
It was lovely. I stopped and got us a Mr. Goodson sandwich on the way home.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful baby. Look at her. Wee wee. Oh, she likes the breeze. We got the other little guy. The boy. Cutie wooties. It looks like my medication came while I was gone. This has to be refrigerated, so I'm gonna get this out really quick. Hey Sharon,
Hey, Leslie.
are you home?
Yeah.
Can I borrow that apple peeler?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Oh.
We'll meet you out front.
Okay, out front then? Okay, I'll see you there in a sec.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh, I'm coming.
And then this will take your peel
Oh,
off.
that's gonna take the peel
Yes.
off. Okay, okay.
If you have any problem, oh, and this'll
Suction to
suction it to the surface.
the.
Yeah.
Okay, yay!
There you go.
All right. Wish me luck. I will. We're filming a reel for Instagram. Okay. I'm filming here, I'm doing an Instagram reel.
I need to change my underwear. Sweaty, not poopy. It just.
Help! Okay, so this day is massively getting away from me. I ended up having to do work on stuff that I'm like, I'm not filming myself working on this because I'm just sitting on my computer. And now it's already 5 o'clock. Like, I haven't even got to make my apple butter yet, but I'm gonna throw in some baked potatoes because we're gonna have dinner here in about an hour. And I'm gonna put these potatoes in, and then while they're cooking, I'm gonna work on this apple butter, I promise. Wow, look at that. Ta-da! Okay. This is my own recipe. You're gonna add in 1 cup of sugar. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. You're supposed to have 1 cup of brown sugar. We're just probably gonna put in, oh, I think I might be a little shy. That's okay. We're just gonna put it in. I got Jason awake, he's out there starting the grill. 2 teaspoons apple pie spice. Oh, about out of ginger, good thing it doesn't call for much. Ginger. Cinnamon. Salt and lemon juice. All right, Jason made me cloves, he ground them up. Okay, woo! What, oh, what would you like to drink?
Water.
Water?
Just sweating it out.
You are definitely a sweat head. So, remember that pink shirt I had on and you were like, oh, you got stains on it?
Yeah.
I did the Dawn Power Wash trick on it and made a reel out of it. No longer have that set-in stain.
How many did you get?
Oh, I just put it out.
Ah, you're a loser.
Definitely.
Might as well just delete everything you got on your accounts and move into a hobble hole.
People are gonna think you actually eat dinner with me.
This is all for show, because I'm just gonna put some salad on my plate, make up my potato, and leave. Make like a tree and.
No, today you're eating dinner with
All right,
me.
I'll do that for you.
Okay, let's say a blessing. All right, we got 32 minutes left. It's getting dark. It is almost 7:30. We've got 32 minutes left on this. I'm ready to go sit down. I didn't ever get to make the centerpiece for my sister, but I have time. I have time. It's not due yet. It's been fun dragging you guys around. I feel like you missed some stuff because it was kind of like, oh, I should have got the camera. But that's okay. It was just kind of fun. Now I need to go sit in the chair and work. And and Evie thinks she needs some food now. Although you've had your dinner and your walk. Oh, she's a sassy girl. Okay, it's actually the next morning. So obviously we went beyond the day in a life, but I had to show you how awesome the apple butter turned out. It is so tasty. And then on top of that, I took the apple butter and I made apple butter apple fritters. Oh, They are so good. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below for you guys. This is a must-have. All right, thanks for sticking around. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.